Kasabay ng 45th anniversary ng JAL, muling kinilala ng Kongreso ang Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide. Nagpasa ng resolusyon ng Senado at Kamara bilang pagkilala sa iba't ibang inisyatiba at kawanggawa ng JAL Worldwide para tulungan hindi lang ang mga nangangailangan nitong miyembro kundi lahat ng Pilipino. Dumalo si Senator J.V. Ejercito para ipresenta ang mga resolusyon. Dumali rin sa pagdiriwang sina Chief Justice Alexander Gesmundo, Associate Justice Efren de la Cruz, Representative Salvador Pleito at Representative Boy de la Cruz.
JAL Worldwide's pastors, leaders, and volunteers have been very active in responding to various crises by participating in relief efforts and disaster response-related activities through the I Care Compassion Ministries, which also implement poverty alleviation programs for the underprivileged.
Binabanggit po natin ito sapagkat ito po yung DNA ng bawat JIL people. Tayo po ay parte ng nation building.
Maraming pong salamat on behalf of Bishop Brother Eddie Villanueva and the entire JAL Church Worldwide family.
Ang mga tinig po na yan na magkakasunod ay mula kay Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva at JAL Worldwide Vice President Pastora Jovi Villanueva Binalya.